Hi, this is Billy Riggs, and I have a mystery for you. Count the times my face appears in this cartoon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, right? Well, now wait for just a moment while we rearrange the pieces of this postcard. Keep in mind the cartoons do not change in any way. Now, let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Amazing, isn't it? Now wait while we reverse the pieces for you, and again watch very carefully to verify that the cartoon drawings do not change in any way whatsoever. Now let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Back to 13. We're going to reverse the pieces one more time and let you verify for yourself that your eyes aren't deceiving you. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I know, it's getting to you, isn't it? We're going to reverse the pieces again. Watch them carefully. The drawings don't change. They never have. In fact, you can order this on cardboard and play with it yourself. If you'd like to learn the secret, go to my website at billyriggs.com. That's www.billyriggs.com. You can order the cardboard version of this illusion if you would like to do so. It's free, but postage and handling are $2.50. Call me at the phone number on the screen right now or email me at billy@billyriggs.com.